Welcome to today's tutorial on how to generate an image using Microsoft Designer. In this video, we'll be exploring the process of creating beautiful images using Microsoft Designer, a powerful AI-powered tool for graphic design. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To generate an image using Microsoft Designer, use these steps. Go to designer.microsoft.com using your browser and make sure to log into your Microsoft account. Describe the image you want generated. Click on the Generate button when done. Microsoft Designer will give you several image options. Click on the magnifying glass icon to enlarge it. To save the image, just right-click on it, then select the Save Image as option. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below.